I'm on vacation every single day, cause I love my occupation. Hey, hey, hey.
De vacaciones, todos los días me paso en hoteles y aviones.
Hey, hey, hey.
De vacaciones, todos los días me paso en hoteles y aviones.
Hey, hey, hey. I'm on vacation every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day.
Día es de fiesta, de alcohol María en la dieta. Tengo estamina como atleta. Esto es un party de John Z. Todo el mundo anda ruleta. Echa las maletas porque mañana cojo un avión pa' la puñeta. Dame de esos rositas en la receta. Una moñita de esa capeta. Hey, de vacaciones, todos los días me paso en hoteles y aviones.
Hey, I'm on vacation every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day.
Illuminate my future bright, so thankful for everything. Rejuvenating my inner light as I work hard for all I need. Open arms, embracing life and all of which you gave to me. Hard work, it pays off, I'm happy now, it's paying me. Close my eyes sometimes and feel as if I float away. I love the life I live and enjoy the ride along the way. I'll make a living out of living, yeah, that's what I say. I got one life to live and I wouldn't live in no other way.
De vacaciones, todos los días me paso en hoteles y aviones.
Hey, I'm on vacation every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day.
Cogemos Airbnb, villas y mansiones. Noches de alcohol, bien llenos los jarrones. Every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day. Hey, GM, everybody, and welcome to this, your daily dose of Web3 Morning Motivation. We're coming live on Spaces. We're coming live on the Twitter timeline. We're coming live on YouTube, on Facebook, on Kick.com, and our latest edition, LinkedIn. So no matter how you are receiving this message, welcome to the space that aims to entertain you, educate you, and motivate you every single morning in just 10 to 15 minutes as you come in. Please make sure that you hit that like button, the subscribe button, the bell button, the notifications button, the follow button, the retweet button. I mean, all the buttons. Because that's how you tell the algorithm that this is the content that you want to push up people's timeline, because this is the content that brings the vibes, the mojo, and all the energy that you need to get your day started. So, without further ado, let's get this show started. Welcome back. This is your host, Degen. Now, don't forget that we got some cool things line up for you. Our Degen wallet and Degen Reply AI tool are all set and just waiting for you to take them out for a spin. If you're keen to join our beta test army and getting access to these cutting-edge technologies, simply follow the OpenSea link in our bio. From day one, our mission has been to bring real value to our tribe. We kick things off by sharing Mola tokens, ensuring everyone got a slice of the action. Then we introduced our revolutionary Degen wallet, a next generation of DeFi, Web3 and NFT management system that's changing the way that users interact with the blockchain. This is not just a wallet, no. It is a gateway to the decentralized web. With our Degen wallet, you have full control over your crypto assets, and you can enjoy seamless token swaps and NFT display and management. But we didn't stop there. No, we didn't stop there, because we also opened the doors to our advanced AI tool, the Degen Reply. This tool adds buttons to Twitter for easy replies using spin tags and AI-generated responses, enhancing your social media experience. We're all about empowering our beta test army with the best of the best. So join us and experience the future of blockchain at lightning speed with our Degen wallet, and enhance your social media interactions with our Degen Reply, because our mission is to bring cutting-edge technology to the masses, creating a world where everyone can thrive in a safe and secure digital environment. We got some cool updates for you. We want to share some things for you on July, so keep your eyes open, because we're working on some nice things and we're cooking in the lab. But this week we continue to be in the lab. We're cooking some experimental features. Remember, we got 3 technology labs. Yes, in case you didn't know, here at the Degen Forest we have 3 real, like very real, 2 in Arizona, 1 in Louisiana, and actually soon another one in Mexico. Oh, what's that? You didn't hear that here. But we have 3 technology labs that are currently working and developing some nice experimental features for various technologies that we're working on various fronts. Our Degen apes know all about it, because in every Canopy console we lay out everything we're doing transparently for every member of the community. So keep your eyes open, because we're standing on the precipice of a digital revolution, and it's all happening right here, right in your pocket. I don't want to move forward without first giving a big shout out to all our reply guys out there. Look at those beautiful monkeys. Look at those beautiful monkeys, baby. Rest assured that none of your likes, none of your comments, none of your retweets, none of your engagement goes to waste, because after the next BTC halving, which is just next year, May next year, there is a big airdrop coming into the forest, and every like, every retweet, every piece of engagement that is here supporting us will count towards that airdrop. So keep the engagement coming, and let's make some magic together now. In case you miss news, several top banks around the world are already collaborating with Chainlink, yes, to explore applications for the Cross-Chain Interoperability Protocol. The development firm behind the Chainlink protocol and its native Link token has gone live with its Cross-Chain protocol, aimed at providing interoperability between traditional finance firms and both public and private blockchains. In a July 17 post on the Chainlink blog, Chainlink Labs Chief Product Officer Kemal El Mohajid, I'm butchering names, guys, you know that. He announced that its Cross-Chain Interoperability Protocol, or CCIP, has launched on their early access on Ethereum, on Avalanche, on Polygon, on Arbitrum, and on Optimism. Developers on these platforms will have access to the CCIP on their respective testnets on, mark the dates, July 20. The CCIP is an interoperability protocol that allows enterprises to transfer data and value between public or private blockchains environments directly from their backend systems. Chainlink's interoperability solution uses Swift messages infrastructure. We are all familiar with Swift, right? The Swift's messaging infrastructure, which is used by over 11,000 banks around the world to facilitate international payments and settlement. In 2021 alone, the network settled around $1.8 quadrillion. So not a billion, not a trillion, $1.8 quadrillion in transactions from over 11,000 member banks, according to the United States Financial Crimes Enforcement Network. Chainlink co-founder and CEO Sergey Nazarov explained on July 17 that the CCIP aims to create a bridge on to create a bridge on the on-chain and off-chain worlds. Open quote, just like key standards such as the TCP/IP, remade and fragmented early internet into the single global internet we all know and use today. We are making CCIP to connect the fragmented public blockchain landscape and the growing bank chain ecosystem into a single internet of contracts. Close quote. An interoperability solution that can seamlessly transmit value between networks with a critical building block for a blockchain-powered society, Nazarov added. Among the other financial institutions exploring to use Chainlink's interoperability solution includes BNY Mellon, BNP Paribas, Citibank, Australia and New Zealand Banking Group, Clearstream, Euroclear, and Lloyds Banking Group. And according to Chainlink, in addition to 5 blockchains integrating the CCIP, the decentralized finance protocol Aave, we all know Aave, right? Is set to implement the interoperability solution, while the decentralized derivative platforms Synthetics, I was an ICO investor there, is already live on the CCIP mainnet. So, of course, having such big Web3 players in and knowing that, this is a bridge between Chainlink, this is Web3 and Web2 bridging. And what you guys need to understand is that Web3 is not here to replace Web2. Web3 is here to be the evolution of Web2. You cannot have Web2 without Web1. And you cannot have Web3 without Web2. That is a fact that we need to make peace with. I know that there's some Puritans, some people that believe that Web3 should replace Web2. I don't think that will actually happen. What I think is going to happen is that there will be a merge, right? And Web2 will evolve into Web3, and interoperability solutions like the one that our friends at Chainlink are bringing forward are the type of solutions that pushes us a step closer to the decentralized peer-to-peer financial vision that we have for the future. So we are going to keep watching very closely, because this is a very, very nice move on the part of our friends at Chainlink. Now, before I move forward, of course, I have a very simple question for everybody in attendance today.
Can I be your friend?
In the heart of the wilderness, where the ancient trees reach for the heavens and the roots delve deep into the earth, there is a whisper. It is the whisper of the wind, the rustle of the leaves, the murmur of the forest. It is the whisper of potential, of possibility, of the power that lies within each of us. Imagine, if you will, a seed, a tiny, unassuming speck, seemingly insignificant amidst the grandeur of the forest. Yet, within that seed lies the blueprint of a mighty tree, a testament to the resilience and tenacity of life. It is not the seed's size that determines its potential, but the strength of its will, the depth of its faith. Faith, my friends, it is not a passive state of mind. It is not a mere belief, a simple acceptance of what is. No. Faith is a call to action, a demand for courage, a challenge to the status quo. It is the seed pushing through the soil, reaching for the sunlight, defying the odds. It is the tree standing tall amidst the storm, bending but not breaking, growing stronger with each gust of the wind. In the same way, we are called to action in the realm of Web3. We are the seeds in this digital forest, each of us carrying within us the potential to grow, to thrive, to transform this ecosystem. We are not here to merely observe, to passively accept the status quo. We are here to act, to build, to invest, to shape the future of this digital frontier. Our faith in the potential of Web3 is not demonstrated by words, but by actions. It is not enough to believe in the promise of decentralization, of transparency, of a more equitable digital economy. We must act on that belief. We must plant our seeds, nurture our ideas, and watch as they grow into towering trees in this digital forest. And as we journey through this wilderness, let us not forget the power of community. Just as the forest is more than a collection of trees, so too is the Web3 ecosystem more than a collection of individual actors. We are interconnected. Our roots entwine and our destinies intertwine. And if you are looking for a place to plant your seed, to begin your journey, then look no further than our Web3 community, the Degen forest. Here, you'll find a sanctuary, a place of growth and learning, a a safe haven as you navigate this new set of technologies. But remember, the forest does not grow overnight. It takes time, patience, and perseverance. It takes faith. So let us act on our faith. Let us build our forest. Let us shape our future. For it is in the heart of the wilderness, amidst the rustle of the leaves and the whisper of the wind, that we find our true potential. So let us step forward. Let us act. Let us grow. For we are the architects of the Web3 ecosystem, the gardeners of the Degen forest, the seeds of the future. And it is through our actions, our faith, that we will transform this digital wilderness into a thriving, vibrant, decentralized forest. And in the end, it is not the forest that makes the tree, but the tree that makes the forest. So let us make our forest. Let us shape our future. Let us act on our faith, and let our actions testify of our faith, for we are the seeds of the future, and the future is ours to shape.
Where the Degens at? From the bull to the bear, the warriors are there. Is that you? Where the Degens at? Had to start at the bottom. From the bull to the bear, both beasts out and bottom. If you want them, don't flaunt them, cause seasons change into autumn. By the NFTs, if you can name it, I got them. The market's dried out, but you can't get rid of me, you will find out. We see the fake liquidity, we just vibe out. Twitter space is synergy, bull market's coming back, blast off to infinity. It just matters what I do, it don't matter what they did to me. Racking up these coins, I'ma stack them individually. Building in the bear, I know all the ways are sick of me. Workshop, they talk, but they can't fake the epitome. Are you against us, or are you for us? The pressure in the bear market, yeah, it forged us. I'm talking traits on traits, I'm talking gas war fate. I'm talking rugs and weights, it's gonna be hard to ignore us. Are you a hustler? Are you a grinder? Are you an underdog, a degen, a survivor? Are you a hustler? Are you a grinder? Are you still building in the bear? I wanna find you. Are you a hustler? Are you a grinder? Are you an underdog, a degen, a survivor? Are you a hustler? Are you a grinder? Are you still building in the bear? I wanna find you. Where the Degens at? Had to start at the bottom. From the bull to the bear, both beasts out and bottom. If you want them, don't flaunt them, cause seasons change into autumn. By the NFTs, if you can name it, I got them. The market's dried out, but you can't get rid of me, you will find out. We see the fake liquidity, we just vibe out. Twitter space is synergy, bull market's coming back, blast off to infinity. I refuse to lose with the chip stack against me. Gonna make it to the top no matter how long it takes me. Know my IRL friends starting to think that I'm crazy. I keep earning and learning, cause all these failures done raised. I've been wrecked, been rugged, but it don't ever faze me, cause I keep coming back stronger, ain't ever lazy. Same ones used to hate me, same one that praised me. I'm a crypto degen till I'm pushing up days. Are you a hustler? Are you a grinder? Are you an underdog, a degen, a survivor? Are you a hustler? Are you a grinder? Are you still building in the bear? I wanna find you. Are you a hustler? Are you a grinder? Are you an underdog, a degen, a survivor? Are you a hustler? Are you a grinder? Are you still building in the bear? I wanna find you.